Day 1 of 30 of a video every 30 days. That's a minute or longer. So, what's going on today? We're over here in the shed. It's Monday. It's Monday. And I was mowing on Saturday, and I was having some issues with the weed eater. It was it's slow. Hold on. It's slow feed. So in this, the twine keeps coming on out, and then it hits the guard, and then I have to cut it, and then it's just a big waste of trimmer line. So I was like, I wonder if they make a traditional like bump head where you bump it here in the middle and then more line comes out. And it turns out they do make one for this model. Well, it's a different model number, but it's the same weed eater. I don't get it, so we're gonna see if it works or not. That'll be here Friday, so I gotta wait a couple days. I got a yard to go knock out on Saturday, which takes 3 hours with me and this little push mower. So that's fun. Yeah, it's really all going on today. Update y'all tomorrow and see what's going on tomorrow. See you then. One take. They're all in one take. First take, no editing, straight up to YouTube. Let's go.